Hey guys, so we got to Cornwall yesterday at 6 AM. Super interesting house because there's like weird dolls everywhere, so it creeped us out. And obviously we came at 6 AM and it's 10 AM now, we only had 4 hours sleep. So yeah, the plan is to spend the weekend in Cornwall and explore the beaches. So I'm going to be doing the same thing I did in my first vlog, but just with different people. We're going to go have breakfast now, we're going to go to Kynance Cove. Maybe swim, we've made the intention, but we'll probably chicken out because it's super cold. But we'll see.
This one, isn't it? The way she rejects it. أنا صعب. افتح.
Disgusting!
Anas, that's nasty, bro. What the flip, man?
Shameless, man.
Hey, Didi Kiki, do you love me?
So guys, we are at the Kynance Cove and it is stunning. It's never been this hot when I've been before. We're basically crossing the beach now and we're going to go somewhere where we have to walk sort of like knees deep in the water to get to like a private little beach.
Am I supposed to walk knees deep?
You have to, I don't know. Guys, we need to cross here but the tide is too high. Guys, I'm actually in the water holding all the equipment in my bag and I can't cross over, so I'm getting them to see how deep it is for us to actually walk it across. Okay guys, so we just swam, took loads of pictures and chilled at the Kynance Cove beach. It was amazing. So we're now going to have fish and chips to fulfill our authentic British beach holiday. Morning guys, so it's day 2 in Cornwall and it's actually raining now. We're actually going to the Eden project, which is like this conservatory for plants. It's pretty cool, so we're gonna go there now and hopefully when the rain clears up we're gonna go to another beach. So we basically walked up and we're walking now for a mile. You can either take like a bus or you can just walk it, and we chose to take the more interesting route.
My room, I put my dehumidifier on it.
It's a bit of a walk this, isn't it?
I'm so scared that it's gonna start raining. This guy will never do such a
I
thing.
will never give you my
I don't know,
jacket.
just look at me and be like,
guys, we just came out of the rainforest and it was bloody humid AF. So guys, we're on our way to Porthcurno Beach. It's 6 p.m, so we're going to try catch the sunset hopefully. But yeah, the Eden project was great. Okay guys, we got to Porthcurno Beach and they're going to swim, but I'm not going to swim because it's cold.
No, because you forgot your shorts. Because
I forgot my
shorts, you would swim, right?
No, I wouldn't swim either way, but not having my shorts just basically cemented the decision of me not swimming because it's cold and I can't be asked. The sun's not even up.
I was inside the lounge, I come out, someone's trying to break into my car. Know what I mean? So yeah, look at my shoes. Bro, look at that, bro.
Guys, we just came back from the beach.
I'm not getting fish and chips.
Luckily we found this restaurant.
Listen,
It's bank holiday weekend.
Check out the tan, check out the beard.
So I should end the vlog here.
They're gone.
Okay guys, so we basically got to London a while ago. We left super early last night and we just dropped Ennis off. He had to fly back for work commitments.
Madness!
Cornwall has been amazing, one of the best trips we've done so far. You don't have to go abroad to have a nice time or to have a proper beach holiday.
Great.
Turquoise clear waters,
Get me.
beautiful scenery,
Get me.
amazing people,
Come on.
great food,
Light
the
work.
fish and chips.
Get me.
It was just, the whole thing was just great.
Simple.
So if you did enjoy watching my video, please give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and do comment any suggestions or comments or any tips that you'd like to give for my editing.
تعرف لما تكمل الفلوج بقول لك حاجة على
It's fine, it's not live. Say Allah.
It's promise.
How do you know? If you want to follow me on Instagram,
Click on the link, the follows, and
No.
the take two.
take two. If you want to follow me on Instagram,
Social's gonna be in the description below.
Hey.
Oh, Spud.
thanks guys. See you in the next vlog.
Why 6 though? Real talk.
Say goodbyes.
This is where we say farewell to our beloved friends. Many experiences, many breathalyzers, many car police chases, many
Carpool karaoke.
stuff I can't even say on camera.
Fights.
Yeah.
And once you let go, that's it. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Oh, nice.
I have to go back to my field.
Okay.